Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we have had very fruitful, extensive discussions, and which is not ordinary. It goes beyond normal diplomatic engagements. I have great confidence and trust in Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. Encounter, which I must thank him actually. He took the trouble. He went to Malaysia last year and with his mystic charm, got everybody on their toes and say, look, this is a real true friend, more so because he's also from Ethiopia, what we knew as Habasha before, Abyssinia, and which long historical ties, which have shown a great culture and civilization coming from a great kingdom under Emperor Najashi those days during the period of the immigration of the Prophet's Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's uncle, and to be given asylum, to be given protection. And I said repeatedly, and I will do so, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, back even in Malaysia and some other international forums, why talk about discord, enmity, distrust, anti-Semitism or Islamophobia, whatever. Ethiopia and Emperor Najashi have shown what compassion, what justice, what tolerance is more than 1,500 years ago that we fail to realize. That's why I think Dhamma and Madani does not talk only about material advancement and development and progress and business, which of course very important, but we go beyond that. We talk about human values. We talk because values as an integrating force in society, culture, and this is what is lacking, a major deficit among political leaders that we have seen. So once we talk about sustainability, inclusivity, and progress, we never lose sight of the fact that we are dealing with issues affecting our people, the humanity at large. So may I say again, a great thank you to you. And it has been a short, fruitful visit. We should have spent here at least 5-6 days because we are so comfortable. And well, you know, the Prime Minister make me not only walk and visit so many museums. They have not done so for a long time in my life. But it is so fruitful, and it can only happen when you have this bond of friendship and trust. Because in every scene, every discussion, we seem to rejoice and enjoy. And it seems that there's so many things to express. And it's just like we have been friends for the last many decades. It cannot be too many decades because he was a kid many decades ago. I've also much senior. But thank you again, Abiy Ahmed, to you, your family, your colleagues, and your great country, Ethiopia. Thank you.